your table, you're gonna take the spoon out, take the spoon. The small one.
Small spoons.
Alright. Okay, next. On your table
Curry.
guys, you will see. Alright, are you ready? Yeah, just are you ready? Just
Big one.
no, small one.
Small one.
Small one. We're gonna add a small one in. Okay, that's not a problem. Okay.
That is on it.
Okay.
Always know now. So we came up north to Chiang Mai here in Thailand because my wife thought I might benefit from some cooking lessons. I don't know. You can wait till the end of the video and see how well that went. Looked good at least. So enjoy the video.
Yeah, that's not the sugar.
So the cooking class is a couple hours long, and it begins by taking you to the local market where they show you how they source from local vendors for all the ingredients that we're about to put together in this delicious looking dish.
The yellow one here, everybody, you're gonna smell. The smell so wonderful. Green paste. Shrimp paste, and then this one is soy sauce. Okay. The traditional Thai people, when we make the cooking, we use the fish sauce, but some people don't like the fishing, use the soy sauce. Or if you want to make the best thing, today you can use both. Okay, that's one the best thing. All right, next. This one. With the ham. Fry the ham. No. Also, this one the sugar. Yeah. This one the sugar can or can sugar. But the sugar can like this, we use to make the dessert. Okay. For the Thai people, when we make the dessert and then we need to make the brown color, we use the can sugar or sugar can to make the brown color. Okay. Also, to make the green curry. Okay. Also, the red one we use to make the red curry. Panang curry, also the masman curry. And then today when we make the curry guys, we don't use the curry powder. Also we don't buy the curry paste at the market like this. We don't buy. You're gonna make yourself. You're gonna start this in. I'll say one after. This one we call the Chiang Mai sausage or Northern sausage. This sausage you can find only the Northern Thailand. When you go to the Northwestern, this one the taste is different. Also, this one is not the same. For the Northeastern, the taste is sour. They add the grass noodle, also the rice, and then the minced pork in. The white tofu and then the yellow tofu, this one the same. Made from the soybean. Only different for the outside. The yellow color, we use the turmeric powder to make the yellow color. Okay. And then next, this again. What is this? Yeah, this one the tofu. Okay. This one the egg tofu. Okay. For the egg tofu, we add in when we make the kriya soup with egg tofu. We add this egg tofu in. Okay. And then next, garlic guys. Just a little bit more. Not too big, not too small. Okay. The side like this. We need the side like this, just like this. Okay. Also, when we make the stir fry, we're gonna add the garlic in. You're gonna mix the garlic like this. Okay. And then next, about the gas stove. This gas stove and then your gas stove. Angry but not too angry. Make sure everything inside not outside. Okay. Alright, next. When the smell garlic come, we add the tofu in. Okay. If you want to make the chicken spring roll, also the pork spring roll, you can add the chicken, also add the carrot in ready. And then next, this one, the grass noodle or the rice noodle. For the glass noodle, sometimes everything to the middle or the center like this. Okay. And then next, take the rice paper here. you're gonna fold the rice paper like this. Next, you're gonna scoop the rice paper and then spring roll filler together. You're gonna scoop together. You're gonna scoop together like this. And then next, you're gonna do the hole like this. Okay. Next, we're gonna cross the both sides. When you cross a little bit out from the filler, and then you're gonna cross to envelope. Okay. A little bit out from the filler, you're gonna cross, and then you do the envelope. When you roll the spring roll, guys, not too angry. You're gonna roll it slowly. You do the soft and then tight. Okay. When you roll the spring roll, you're gonna take the spring roll up like this. Next, you're gonna flip the spring roll. Next, you're gonna roll it up. Okay. You're gonna roll it up until the spring roll come to like this. You're gonna keep the spring roll like this on your.
Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. It's like art. It's pretty. All right, the finished product. We'll eat this.
Because of you, the small ball inside the yellow soup. We're gonna make the same soup. Okay. Now add the chicken stock in. 1 and then 2 spoons. We add 2 spoons. When you back home, you can use every stock. Chicken, pork, also the vegetable. Small one.
All right. Small spoons. What are we making now? What are we making?
All right. Okay, next. On your table,
Curry.
guys, you will see 2 jars, the white jar. Okay, you will see 2 jars, the white jar.
How much?
We're gonna add a small jar in. Add a small jar. Oh, small. Okay. All right now.
I forget.
Are you ready? Yeah, just a quick. Are you ready? Just a quick. Just a quick.
Just a big one.
No, small one.
Small one.
Small one.
Uh-oh.
We're gonna add a small one in. Okay, that's not a.
On. Go 7 o'clock.
Next, you're gonna roll to 7 o'clock. 7. This one is not on. Okay.
Whoop, that is on now.
Okay.
Always know now. Well, thanks again for hanging in there, folks. The dishes look delicious. I can't say mine was all that great, but it looked appetizing at least. And as always, thanks for watching, and see you next time.